What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we'll look at this light base. So this is basically interchangeable light base that basically comes in this package. So what you're going to do now, we're going to just do an unboxing of it to let you guys see what's basically coming inside the package and so forth. So inside the package guys, as you can see, we have at least 4 remotes that come inside. So the remote looking like this. So we have 4 of them that come inside, looking pretty neat. So basically those standard LED remote. Also we have one of the light base right here, as you can see, looking pretty neat. So we have the part right here that can put our light into. So we have a power button right here, as you can see. We have a charging port, and also we have a battery that it basically can use battery. So these basically use some AA batteries inside right here. So there are basically 3 of them, which is pretty great in terms of if you don't have any electricity and want to use those as well. So this one is the square base. As you can see, we have one of a round looking shape, as you can see right here. So there's basically 4 of them inside this as well. 2 square base and 2 oval shape, as you can see right here. So we have more of these light base panel. We have 4 of them inside here as well. And also we have some USB cable that basically can charge them, that I basically showed you earlier. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to connect it up one to let you guys see basically how this works. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try and install one of these. So basically you can just tuck this into right here until you hear the click, and we can use our USB to basically plug into a power source for it to basically work. So I'm just gonna connect it up right now. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to connect my USB right here into this port right here. Then I'm going to connect it to my power supply, and as you guys can see right here, the light is basically start working, and you can see that the light is basically changing by itself. And yes, we can use our remote to basically get this to work, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to connect up the rest of them right now. I'm going to try and see if the remote can work on each of these as well. So I'm going to remove this plastic here from the remote, and I'm going to try to see if this can turn it off. So as you can see guys, the remote basically turn it off, turn it on. I can basically change the colors as well with this right here. You can see. So there's a light button right there that you can basically point the remote on, change it more faster. As you can see, different colors: flash, strobe, fade, smooth. We can basically turn it down, can basically turn it up, brightness. So I'm just going to connect up the rest to let you guys see how neat these lights are. So they are basically neat. As I said earlier, it basically can use battery if you don't want to use your power supply. Alright guys, so basically I've installed these 4 lights, as you can see on my desk, and they're basically flashing. So as you can see right there, looking pretty neat, and you can put these on anywhere inside your home for those decor that give it a different look. As you can see right there, looking pretty neat, and they're flashy. And I hope you guys find this video very helpful, because these lights are indeed great for some decor. The light is bright and it gives your room a different look and a different feelings with these light right here. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very helpful, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.